Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. If this is your first time here, my name is Wana Udo, and every week I share content to help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. However, in this video, I'm going to talk about starting a YouTube channel in 2022. So as of the shooting of this video, today is January 1st, 2022. So if you're watching this video, congratulations, you made it through to another year. This came up from one of my subscribers who was asking me, is it too late to start a YouTube channel? Now, a little brief story on my situation. I started my YouTube channel early part of 2020 during the beginning of the health situation that I was still experiencing. I was home just like everybody else and watching YouTube videos and just binging on YouTube videos. And then it dawned on me that, you know what? Maybe I can do this. Maybe I can start my own YouTube channel and be able to share content with people instead of just being a consumer. I can be a creator, content creator, and, help people out there. That's my story. That's how I started my own YouTube channel based on something that I'm passionate about. I'm passionate about personal finance and wealth creation, and also my daytime profession. I work in the banking industry in the northeastern part of the United States. So this is very passionate to me because everything that revolves around our life revolves around personal finance and also wealth. Majority of the divorces we have today as a result of financial stress or financial situation in the household. So enough of the spiel. Now let's get down to starting a YouTube channel in 2022. Now, I am not a professional. I'm still learning this YouTube space. I'm still tweaking my videos. I'm still tweaking my skills, getting to the next level. There are people who are in my niche that are, doing very, very well. But, just like everything in life, you have to learn to crawl before you walk, and you have to learn to walk before you run. So you can't just go from a baby and just start sprinting or become an all-star, a star. So you have to take the baby steps. And, same thing with starting a YouTube channel. Okay, you're not going to make millions of dollars tomorrow or next month. Okay, you might be someone that, makes one video and it goes viral. Good for you. But majority of the people have to go through a progression. So if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel today, and you're feeling like the market is saturated, it is not. There's room to grow. And my channel is an example of going from 0 to, I think I'm about almost 12,000 subscribers now in one year, because I actually started uploading videos, I think back in April of 2020. Initially, I had been dabbling into YouTube, just posting some family videos and, like my kids play basketball. So I did have some, videos of my kids playing basketball on my YouTube channel, but I never took it seriously until during the health situation, I decided to go all in and be serious about this. So if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel in 2022, I'll say go for it, okay? So these are the things these are the things that help me grow my channel. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to figure out what is your niche. Okay, what are you passionate about? What do you have expertise in? Okay, like in my case, I'm in banking, so I deal with money every single day. I deal with people's personal finances every single day. I see examples of things to do and things not to do with your money. I'm also still a student, still learning myself, even though I'm in the banking industry. You'll be surprised to know how many bankers in very bad situation as well. Even though they're surrounded by money, they know what to do, but they're not doing what they need to do. Okay, so you need to figure out what your niche is. Okay, don't stress too much about this. Initially, you just have to record the videos. You just have to upload those videos. You have to do the work. Okay, you have to record yourself. If you're shy, I'm a very reserved person. Okay, but when I turn on this camera, I'm a different person. Okay, because I know I'm providing value. Okay, this is very dear to me. Okay, I'm very passionate about helping people with their personal finance. So you have to figure out what you're passionate about. Okay, what you have an interest in, or what your skill set is. So if you're good at graphic design, you can start recording videos on teaching people graphic design, if you do social media, whatever your strengths are, whatever you're passionate about, just start recording. Don't stress it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is figure out, what are you going to talk about? What are you going to what will you want your YouTube channel to be about? Okay, it has to be something that you won't get tired after a while. Now, most people, when they start their YouTube channel, you might start with a particular niche, and then as you evolve, you might now deviate into other things. Okay, like I've seen people who started off with personal finance, and then along the way they became investors, and then they became, exotic car, guys and stuff like that. So YouTube is a journey, it's not a sprint. Okay, you go through phases. So start recording videos, talk about anything you want, because you don't know which video or what niche is gonna click, but you have to make it congruent to what you're doing. You can't have a video on basketball and then a video on personal finance and video on cars. Okay, make sure that it's around the same theme, so that way you can weed out what's not working for you. And that's the beauty of YouTube. Okay, once you start uploading videos and going in on it, you will have data that will tell you which videos or what niche you need to concentrate on. So the first thing is you have to decide, what is your channel going to be about. Then you don't have to sweat about the name. Okay, I know people worry about, oh, what should I name my channel, whatever. Just use your name. Like my channel is based on my name. You should be proud of your name. I see people wearing other people's names, or other people's names, athletes' names on their shirts. Why should you be ashamed of using your name or wearing your name, unless you have something to hide? So in my case, I have nothing to hide. Okay, that's my name, so that's my channel. Okay, because this also builds your brand. So when people are looking for you, they can find you. Okay, if you have some weird name, it might be very difficult for people to find you. All right, so you want to start thinking about branding. All right, so just use your name to start. You can always change this further down the road, but you can just start off with your name. Okay, then once you have that done, now we talk about tools. So you're gonna need some form of camera or device. In my case, all my videos are shot on my Samsung S10 phone. Okay, I don't have an elaborate video setup. I just use my phone, and every single video that I have done, it's off of my phone. I have, I think, probably almost 450 plus videos in 1 year, all on my phone. So I don't have like a GoPro or any exotic equipment or lighting or a backdrop. Everything I do, most of my videos are shot in my cars. Okay, depending on which car I'm driving for the day, I turn on my phone and then I record and I share content. So in terms of tools, okay, you can start off with your phone. You could maybe get a ring light. I have one here. Okay, this is a very inexpensive ring light, so you can get something like this, which helps with lighting. So if you're recording in a dark enclosure, so I have this in my car as a backup in case I don't have enough lighting. So you can pick up one of this, which just attaches to your phone. Okay, it clips onto your phone. You can see that. All right, so you can get one of those. All right, so you can get a tripod, if you're going to be recording outside, if you don't have someone to record you. So just go to Walmart, pick up a few things, or go on Amazon, pick up a ring light, a low tripod, or a selfie stick, depending on what you want to do with your videos. Okay, then you also need an editing software, okay, that you use to edit your video. Now don't go crazy, there are lots of free editing softwares out there that you can use. Okay, so you can get one of those, so you can use that to edit your video. Don't worry about intros and outros, just record, edit your video and upload. That's it. Okay, the next thing you want to worry about is, okay, another tool that I use, okay, is TubeBuddy. I'm going to leave a link down below in my description. So TubeBuddy is a very important tool, has been very instrumental in my YouTube growth. Okay, so what TubeBuddy can do for you is you can use TubeBuddy to research highly searched keyword terms. Okay, for instance, maybe you can search personal finance. Okay, now I'm just using the personal finance as an example. Once you type that into TubeBuddy, TubeBuddy will let you know how your channel will perform based on the particular keyword. Now, if your channel is brand new, you might have trouble ranking for personal finance. I'm just using personal finance as an example. So so that might not be a good title or keyword I can use for my videos. Now, don't get me wrong, doesn't mean that things cannot change, but it's going to be very difficult for someone who's just starting out in the personal finance niche to be able to rank based on the personal finance keyword. Okay, so TubeBuddy has been instrumental in helping me grow my channel. So like I said, I'm going to leave a link down below where you can click and sign up on TubeBuddy. They do have a free version and there's also a pro version. So I use the pro version because if you're going to do something, do it right. So it's very inexpensive compared to the benefits that you get. All right, so make sure you check the link below for TubeBuddy. Okay, so once you have this, that's all you need. Just start recording, come up with a schedule. Like in my case, I like to record I like to upload 3 videos a week. Now you can do what's called batch. You can batch all your videos. So that means you take one particular day, it could be a Saturday or Sunday, and you record a whole bunch of videos, and then you use the rest of the week to edit and upload your videos. But in my case, I like to record 3 videos a week. So let's say on Sunday I will upload a video that I recorded on Saturday. You see what I'm saying? So like Monday I'll record the video I'm gonna upload on Wednesday, and then on Wednesday I'll record a video that I'm going to upload on Friday. This schedule works for me. Now you can figure out what schedule you want. Okay, so you have to be consistent when you're uploading videos. Okay, that's the beauty of YouTube. Okay, you're responsible for your own success. All right, so you have to set a schedule for yourself. I know we all have busy lives, but if you want to do this YouTube thing, you have to be disciplined, you have to be committed, and you have to go all in. Okay, when I say go all in, I'm not saying quit your job. Like I said, I still have my full-time job. I still have to deal with my with my family. I still have to go to the gym. Just like today, I was at the gym and I decided to share this video. So you have anything you want to do in life, okay, you have to be disciplined. Now, this is 2022. And we just went through 2021 with the health situation, which I think it's still going to be with us throughout 2022 as well. It doesn't look like this is going to let up anytime soon, okay, all over the world. So you can't let external forces stop you or prevent you from starting your own YouTube channel or creating, or achieving your goals, okay? So you want to make sure that you have no excuses, okay? I personally, I have a very, very busy schedule. I have my 9 to 5. I have a ride sharing business. I have a social media business. I, have my kids. I have to go to the gym. You have to eat, you have to sleep, there are lots of excuses that we can give that can stop you from recording. So come up with a schedule, no excuses. You have your phone, okay? Everybody has a smartphone today, and the cameras on these smartphones are phenomenal. Like I said, every video I have uploaded on my channel has been shot off of my phone. That's it. I do most of my business off of my cell phone. All right. So don't make this be an excuse for you why you shouldn't start your YouTube channel. I'm telling you, start your YouTube channel. Like I said, there are many things you can do with your channel. Once you start uploading videos, once you start staying consistent, okay, you will start having data. You have analytics that will tell you where your viewers are coming from, how long they're watching your videos, which videos are doing well. You just have to be consistent. Just keep pumping out the videos. Even if it's 1 video a week, do it, okay? The more, the better, okay? And something that I also do is, because my schedule is three videos a week, okay? I try to be consistent, but sometimes, life happens, but I always make sure that at least I get back on track and record more videos and upload more videos, okay? So you have to be consistent, all right? That's all it takes. So just to recap, you want to decide what niche you want to go into, Okay, you want to decide what tools you need. For instance, like your cell phone is fine. You don't need anything fancy. You don't need a mic. If you want, you can also get a mic. I also have a mic, but sometimes I have issues with my mic not syncing with the video, so I just stop using the mic for now. Eventually I will get a better mic. I'll get my own studio where I can record instead of recording in my car. Right now my car works for me. It's the only space I have right now to make my videos, but I can't let that be an excuse for me. Okay, so I record in my car, so my car is my studio. All right, I don't need anything fancy, any effects and all this stuff. Maybe eventually, as I evolve in this YouTube space, my videos are gonna change. Okay, I'll have more content. Maybe I might collaborate with other people, and my video would change. All right, so but right now I'm still a baby. Like I said, babies don't just start from being a baby and then become an adult. You have to go through the phases, or you have to go through the struggles. You have to increase your skills. You have to learn. You have to, put in the time. Okay, I had to learn how to, edit my video, how to upload the video into YouTube. Like I said, go on YouTube and you find lots of videos on how to, upload videos, or how to record, how to create your thumbnails. Okay, because that's another thing that you need to do, is be able to create captivating thumbnails. Okay, because your thumbnail is what advertises your video. Like in my case, I try to keep my thumbnails simple. Some might be a little elaborate, but I try to keep it simple, because I'm just starting out. Like I said, I've only been on YouTube consistently recording for, I think, almost 11 months. All right, or 10 months. All right, so it's not even a full year of being consistently uploading on YouTube. So I hope this helps anyone out there, and I hope this helps my friend who's reached out to me about starting a YouTube channel. I'll say go for it. Start your YouTube channel, get in, start recording. Don't worry about your lighting or whatever. At least make sure that your lighting is great, okay, that people can see you. All right, don't worry about intros and outros. That will come eventually. Okay, make sure that you're recording, you're getting to the point so that people get the content that they're clicking to watch. Okay, and then with time you will learn how to tweak your videos, how to edit your videos, and you will also figure out what content you should be recording, because the key is you don't want to get burnt out. The key is you want to make sure that whatever your channel is all about, okay, you have enough content to deliver to your subscribers. Okay, so I hope this helps, and as usual, if you like my videos, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so YouTube will notify you of my latest videos. So thank you so much everyone for being here, and I wish you all an awesome 2022. Please stay safe and take your necessary precautions to keep yourself and your family safe. And remember, be true to yourself, be true to your goals, and never ever give up. And I'll catch you in my next video coming up shortly. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.